Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. And today I have something a little different for you, at least for me, because normally I don't do like product reviews or anything of that nature. But today it's a very special day for me. And the reason why is because I just received delivery of this item, which is something that I've been wanting to purchase for a very long time. And it took me a long time because to me, it is a very expensive item. Now, before I start opening the box, let me tell you what this is. It is a electric inverter generator designed by EcoFlow. The model is Delta Pro, and it is a 3600 watts with a 7200 watt surge. Now, with enough talking, let's go ahead and open the box. Oh yes, what a beauty. This thing is heavy. All right. Let's move the box out. Let's see what happens if I turn the power on. Nada? One more time. Okay. Apparently there's 30% digital display, regular USBs, fast charge, USB-C with 100 watt. Wow, that's pretty cool. Another USB-C with 100 watt. And then you got four 20 amps outlets plus a 30 amp outlet, like RV type of connection. This is a little handle for you to lift and carry, which is awesome. This unit is quite heavy. The solar input is actually back here. It says over here solar input, the charging speed. This is for to connect the cable to charge on the regular outlet, and then the overload protection, which I believe is the circuit breaker right there. So you got two more extra battery ports, so you can connect I guess up to two more batteries. Now let's take a look of what's inside of this box. So I have no idea what this is for. This is the cigarette light charger, which is pretty cool, and it goes into that side connection that you saw earlier, which I believe is the same as where the solar panel goes. And this is the regular outlet charger. Awesome. Now I'm gonna hook up the charging cable, the regular outlet charging cable, and let's see what happens. Oh, there it is. I'm super excited. Let's get this going. Let's get this hooked up now. This actually is the slide out that I designed and fabricated for my gas power generator, which now probably not gonna need it anymore. But anyways, I'm just gonna place it on top of this. Let's see how it fits. Oh, perfectly. It fits really nicely. Maybe I'll just leave that slide out. All right, so I'm gonna slide this back in. You guys can see, right? Now, let's plug in. This guy right here is my pressure washer. And this connects to my compressor, vacuum, shop vac, and then power strip, so I can power other stuff. Let's turn this bad boy on. It's at 30% right now. Why did it turn off? Let's double check. I guess it was on. So yeah, probably turn it off. All right, 30%. It's on. Let's start getting some stuff running. All right, now that I have these guys connected, I have this ready to go. Let's go ahead and test this thing out. First, I'm gonna turn the power here. All right, it says we have 24%. I'm sorry, 29%. Now let me turn the outlets on. Now there's power going through the outlets. Let me begin by testing the vacuum cleaner. All right, so I have a remote control here where I can turn everything on and off. So we'll start with the vacuum cleaner. My shop vac, which is a rigid 5 horsepower, 9 gallon, 5 gallon, I don't know. Anyways, here we go. All right, it is drawing about between 945 to 952 watts. Now, I don't know if you can see it from there, but let me show you. That's the vacuum cleaner. That's the amount of power it draws. Now I'm gonna test each equipment individually, then I'm gonna start, testing everything together. So shop vac is off. Now let's do the compressor. Here we go. Now the compressor is drawing pretty heavily, like about 1560, between 1560 to 1570. Let me show you guys. There you go. Pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. All right, it's full now. Let me turn it off anyways. Now, let's do the pressure washer. Here we go. Water pump is on. Let's prime it. Let's turn the pressure washer one, which is a AR Blue 630 TTS, something like that. All right, here we go. Check this out. That's how much power it is drawing. About 2,000 And 56, 60, 56, 60. Did you hear the fans going on? Yeah, those are the fans going on, the side fans over here. Let's do it again. Man, this is much better than my gas generator. I am impressed. Now, I'm gonna start powering everything on simultaneously. Here we go. Let's start with the vacuum cleaner. We got the vacuum cleaner running. Now, compressor. We got 2400 watts. Now let's do the pressure washer. Here we go. It's drawing 3800, about 3800. And at this rate, it's telling me that I only have 22 minutes left. I don't know what that is. I think you can see the screen better now. Let me get a little closer for you. Okay, now that you can see the screen a little better now, I'm gonna run all my major three equipments at the same time, which is the shop vac, the air compressor, and the pressure washer. Again, the shop vac is a rigid 5 horsepower, 5 gallon, I believe. The air compressor that I use is Fortress 4 gallon, 200 psi. Great compressor, I love it. And the pressure washer is a AR Blue 630 TTS, something like that. Okay, let's begin by turning on the shop vac. Here we go. Now I'm gonna turn the air compressor. And lastly, I'm gonna turn on the pressure washer. Now let me turn everything off. You can hear the fans running. And the Better Life is at 23% now since we started the testing. So we lost 7% because it was at 30%. Wow, guys, I'm super impressed with this equipment. The amount of power that comes out of this beast is amazing. I'm super, super, super stoked. I mean, I had my pressure washer, my shop vac, my air compressor, the water pump, all running at the same time with no problem at all. And I feel like I can even hook up more stuff at the same time, but today was just a quick unboxing and testing. Now, one thing I can tell you off the bat is that this has way more power than my prior generator, which is the Champion 4500 watt gas power generator. That generator, every time that I ran all the equipment at the same time, the circuit breaker would eventually go off. So this guy right here has way more power. So Champion, I hate to say this, but you're no longer the champ. Now, I told you earlier that I don't do a lot of contents like this, but if you really enjoyed it, please let me know so I can put up more videos like this, okay? And lastly, if you could give me a little support by hitting the like, subscribe, and bell notification button for more future content like this, I will really appreciate. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.